Okay, so how much does it actually cost to live in the Philippines? Well, I'm not really going to get into it to the pricing. How much does it actually cost? I've been living in the Philippines for off and on for a number of years, and as I make this video, I'm currently living in the Philippines again. And if you want to know the prices and how much does it cost to get apartments and all that, there's so many videos online. I'm not going to go into where it can be found easily, but just let's say it is cheaper here to live in the Philippines. Uh, it could be maybe 50% of living in the States. It all depends on your income. But as a general idea, let's say for one person, from $1,000 to $1,500, you could live in the Philippines. $1,000, you'll be cutting it pretty thin. $1,500, you can get yourself a place and you have a little bit extra spending money. But there's one little caveat is if you're looking for something more on the Western style type apartments or houses, maybe with cabinets in it, let's say if with a full kitchen, with cabinets and the architecture. Generally, the apartments and houses in the Philippines are very, uh, very plain, kind of boring in a way, for lack of better terms. A lot of the kitchens don't even have any cabinets. They're clean and they're nice, but if you want to get like a Western style type apartment or house, you might actually end up paying more in the Philippines than you would in a Western country for the type of architecture or type of style or a full kitchen. But if you can be satisfied with maybe a kitchenette, maybe a kitchen without like full cupboards, you can live in the Philippines for about $1,000 to $1,500 a month. And again, my videos are a lot different than a lot of the other videos about living in Asia. I actually give you ideas how to actually fund your retirement or how to live in Asia or anywhere you want in the world. If you're not retirement ready, but you want to know how to make some extra income, my video is a little bit different. I actually show you ideas on how I generate income over the internet and how I help other people create income online. So I always recommend people to find my description there in the video and join my community where you're going to get some free training on how to create some income no matter where you are in the world. And some of my trainings are actually done by some very well-known celebrities in the lifestyle environment. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on video next.